I am a true born Igbo man. I grew up as a hustler, struggle as an Igbo man to survive as an Igbo man. I got dreams as an Igbo man, become a big businessman. Now I've come so far, I'm now a car manufacturer. Igbo man, you strong as an Igbo man. Igbo man, they can't break you. Igbo man, stay strong. Igbo man, through the pain and the fight, we stand up, find the light. Igbo man, rise up high, keep your dreams in your sight. Through the struggle we go on, find a way to carry on. Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. And so I travel as an Igbo man to escape from Nigeria. Walk the desert, cross oceans far away from fatherland. From Europe to America, Asia to Antarctica. Anywhere in Africa, you could find an Igbo man. North Pole Igbo man, South Pole Igbo man. No matter where you look, there must always be an Igbo man. And if you don't find an Igbo man, then you better have another plan. Cause where there is prosperity, you must always find an Igbo man. Just stand up, find the light. Igbo man, rise up high. Keep your dreams in your sight. Through the struggle we go on, find a way to carry on. Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. In South Africa, Mandela, we cried to Ramaphosa. We're facing xenophobia, this is no hysteria. It's happening in Ghana, land of Kwame Nkrumah. Resented, hated, that's been the life of an Igbo man. Rejected in Nigeria, brutalized in Nigeria, suffered in Nigeria. That's been the life of the Igbo man. Fight as an Igbo man, we must survive as the Igbo man. I fight as an Igbo man. Igbo man, you strong as an Igbo man. Igbo man, they can't break you. Igbo man, stay strong. Igbo man, through the pain and the fight, we stand up, find the light. Igbo man, rise up high, keep your dreams in your sight. Through the struggle we go on, find a way to carry on. Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. Born as an Igbo man, struggle as an Igbo man, suffered as an Igbo man, will make it as an Igbo man. Fight as an Igbo man, must survive as the Igbo man. Igbo man, you are strong as an Igbo man. Igbo man, they can't break you. Igbo man, stay strong. Igbo man, through the pain and the fight, we stand up, find the light. Igbo man, rise up high, keep your dreams in your sight. Through the struggle we go on, find a way to carry on. Igbo man, my fellow Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. Igbo man, keep your head up, stand tall. Through the struggle we gon' rise. Igbo man, we stand.
All right, welcome back again to my channel. I welcome you. I'm strong. You are the first to make comment here. I see you. There we move. There and then we have another person here is Martin Obosi. My brother, this man up you. Okay, I'm strong. Like. Thank you so much. I'm strong. All right, so I'm not gonna waste much time. I'm gonna waste much time because we have something to discuss before next program. This I think yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, it should be yesterday or day before yesterday. I can't remember, but I remember dropping a video about Udele, where Udele says something, you know, about Harrison Gwamnesi. Now, he was warning Harrison to maintain his land in Delta State, not to come to Imo State. According to him, Imo State belonged to Imolites. and therefore Harrison has something to do to or in Imo State. You don't need to be there or to investigate any crime or do what you normally do. You know Harrison Bob is right. You know what he normally do. So Udele was warning him, and I told us that the way Udele is going, people have begun to pay attention to his activities and to question some of those things that he normally do and get away with it. So one of those things is that he, according to Udele, that Harrison Nagas maybe not as maybe would have, that's the word he used. Then if you go to the comment section, Franco Koye, my brother, nice to see you. Nice to see you. That now Harrison don't need to do anything across Niger. You know what I mean across Niger. Now, people on his comment section begin to complain, begin to say something. Oh, it seems like we are benefiting from this insecurity. It's like you are part of them. Oh, Harrison is trying to stop your business. I don't blame them for saying those things, because looking at what he said, you have no other choice than to think like that. Okay. He says something also in that video. He mentioned this guy called Nwayi Ogiri. Nwayi Ogiri, according to him, have one giant spider that has multiple cobwebs. And these cobwebs cover the Enugu State and Anambra State, that you don't do, according to him, you don't bring criminality in those areas. Unlike Udele, who don't pay attention to what people are saying, the criticism, this guy, I don't know who said, the one that made him to come out to kind of to answer some questions, because Harrison also says something in his post. Harrison made it clear that I cannot be part of you, those of you that have an agenda, trying to label every crime to IPOB or to ESN. Remember, most of the crime, they are telling you that the IPOB and ESN are being carried out, okay, is actually coming from some, people call them defected IPOB members, people who helped governors to build a Babago. Remember, it was people who worked with Master Modigan that sneaked out to help governors to build a Babago. The same people now come out and begin to tell you that Nwayi said that he will have parallel IPOB. So that Nwayi used PM Sabotage to form a different version of IPOB. But they themselves are the one that helped Nwayi and Uzodimma to build a Babago. Udogachi and another Kodo group are just new recruited from Anambra State. But Ebubago started from Imo and Ebonyi State. Enugu State don't have none, apart from the one that the current governor, Peter Mba, is building and called Forest Guard. Those ones, nobody knows the activities. What am I trying to tell you? In Anibo today, we have different groups bearing arms. Different group. But none of these different groups goes to anybody's farm to buy farmers. Do you understand? Do we have rapists in our land? Yes, we do. But are they in rampage like Fulanis are doing their own? No. Do we have people that are capable of snatching cars, kidnapping people? Yes. Individually, we have armed robbers like that. Just like every other society has the same problem. But now we now have the recruited people that are being recruited, that their job is to brainwash the public. That people committing this crime are no other than agitators. Guess what? They themselves are actually agitators. They just try to act like if they are repented or something like that. You know what I mean? There's another armed group called Dead Men Squad. Dead Men Squad. We are going to touchlight all those things in this video. I don't know, because I started very late. we are going to rush it without wasting much time. So I may not be focused on the comment much. My purpose of doing this, because I promised earlier today that we are going to explain it. So I just realized that USB government have question and answer today, because I know it's not as if I'm hearing it for the first time, but I did not remember. If I had remembered, I would have started earlier before now. So we have no less than maybe an hour or less than an hour to go through this. I don't know if we can, if we will finish it. If we do not finish it, we will come back again, maybe tomorrow or later tonight. But I think it should be tomorrow, because I don't know when when they will finish the program. They will start at 7 p.m. Biafran time. So let's hear Nwayi Ogiri. He has something to say.
On Afambo Ikenguluago. Actually, iji video anuma when I address this alleged attack by Fulani headsmen, Nimo State and the Gemelo Enugu State. On with discredit.
Please hold on. Hold on. As you join us, hit the like button so that others will watch this video. You know, if you have noticed recently, I kind of focusing on this propaganda of these people. That's the reason why I don't skip it at all. If I see any video that has to do with this kind of wrong narrative that these guys are selling, because I think it's very important that we counter it, not by running propaganda, but by bringing the reality on ground, so that you yourself will make sense out of it, without being brainwashed or being, having soft target, soft target or wrong target, targeting people that have not done anything. It is a kind of, going after somebody that is not a criminal, going after the person's life. It doesn't want it. So hear him.
A lot of people put a say, "He can get here open the Fulani. What of if the Fulani name? Why nature you wear? Oh, one them or there like that, and well or anything like that. Anime poku insecurity. Ndobona na cause insecurity. Anime oku basara."
That is a lie from Peter of Hell. He said, "No, what if it like that? Against you will still listen to him. You still watch him now saying, giving you excuses why he admitting that he don't do that, and he signed that job to another person. Listen to him."
But it was him with focus. Into a follow na man much about if any men are not. You can as well fill that gap.
Hey, so what do you understand that? What do you understand from what he said? No, not like that. But the Bible needs to talk much about it, that you yourself watching me now can feel the. So I thought this what if it like that? I've told you, a liar is always a liar. A liar. They are doing this on purpose, so it's a very simple assignment. Premeditated. They designed it and positioned it the way it should be to sell narrative. And that narrative is to promote and to help who? Even in as much as you think that you are discussing what is going on in East, you are far from that. I have not seen any, even 5 minutes video of this guy talking about Fulani in our land. In this same video, he admitted truly there were Fulani in our land, contradicting what they say. Remember, they are both, they are together. He ended up here contradicting what his colleague is saying. They will take a Fulani in Igbo land. No bringos. Or for the here, Nwayi don't know how to hide mouth somehow. Or didn't have fact that anybody team more. What I promise if anything, if I going everything about the more they will tell you. As a man, no, or daughter, like get candy for here.
That's how to do it. But that's just by the way. Actually, me address this alleged attack by Fulani herdsmen, Nimo State, close to Futo, na Gemelo na Enugu State. But to start with, like, where on any doubt, now when they can Fulani herdsmen, bandits in our region.
Now you will any doubt, no will any Fulani bandit in our region. Omega accept that Fulani presence is in our land. All right. Now, when you listen to Dele, that one is Fumi. You might want to say, no, Yenka. Oyenka Keta with the name make you the name just that man say. Now, Oji the opportunity to show you no perceive as a name. That's what gives him joy to make sure that he eliminates he is a good. You know what I mean? But Oyenka, now your money I go to speak for. If you pay me well, I speak for you. Do you understand? If I go watch Monka, if the other guy put on care for just to revenge, two different assignments. I go and revenge. They are not the same. The one that carry the revenge may be very hungry, but his own priority is to revenge. And senseless revenge, like Fulani revenge. You know what I mean by Fulani revenge? They don't forget. If you saw a Fulani man, just if you don't fight back, don't worry, don't sleep. He will still come back to deal with you. That's the Fulani. But then kind of go you want to be rich. He want to be fire over 2.0. He loved that kind of thing. They get.
And where any doubt? Oh yes. And secondly, I'm from one of our brother who were maximum respectful, Harrison Guamishu.
Unlike with the who called him names and said that no, the guy we are one-on-one, face to face. You see contradiction because they're running. Not that they're not the same, but the motive, what motivating this one is different from what is motivating the other one. And when you check the two things that motivate this guy or the other one, they have something to do with your own benefit as an Igbo man. Nothing. As an average Igbo person, what is pushing them is nowhere to link up with what you want. So,
some people, bo ifobona melon na Igbo land.
What a bright, I greet you.
And some people now talk 18 years in the Biafra dictators. My brother, you.
Some people now talk and the agitators. That statement, he automatically knew that he's involved. That's why he came out to explain himself. About we have the video. When I said that now, is always feel uneasy when waist pain and leg pain, knee pain is being discussed. So I got do I not you have to go the thing now. So listen.
We will not blame us because 99.9% crime and I commit in Igbo land in the a funnel from Biafra agitators.
If for mindset, with that, what is your statistics? What is that thing that you use in measuring this your percentage? Did you carry out public opinion, like walk in the Igbo land, in the streets of Igbo land, to ask questions? How many kidnapped victims have you interviewed? How many incidents can you just point out and tell us this is what happened? Crime is being carried out every minute in every city. Okay, flag. Crime is being carried out by minutes, some even in seconds. The same way, good things are being done, simultaneously, by minutes, in every minute, in the seconds. You cannot just fold hand and say, okay, I have carried out my research. You don't have any research, no proof, no, nothing whatsoever. You just look around and feel like, okay, let me just rate it. Because you place your motive and your agenda first. before reality on ground. A man now law post comment section there up. He don't want people to comment because he knew what he's doing. That is the easiest way to know who is who, what is what. How many politicians? How many is politicians actually? How many are there? You see, but you are working with them and they're the one feeding you, telling you because it's about motive and agenda. And again, he's trying to explain himself now. Watch.
Either direct or indirect, Akonye Biafra agitator must be inside. That's just the fact. And only for any time, and when alleged Fulani attack, and people be don't ask questions like, "Are you sure not Fulani?" Or these people are just lying. It's because of our past experience and because of what we knew. You may not know. Mana, may go see some things, but I'll jabo. Anytime I put here, no Fulani. People like us will not believe it until I have full evidence. By the way, when no they attack the Fulani men Imo State, I contacted my
DSS. I see you, Gerard.
Non-Imo State to know what happened. No, people selling no Fulani. That means alleged. But then we behave arrest, meaning they are still investigating. And because they are still investigating, you don't expect me to come out to talk about
it. In Gwamnisi's video, Gwamnisi, he has watched the video, that's why he's reacting. In that Gwamnisi's video, Gwamnisi made it clear. He proved that they are Fulani. That attack he's talking about in Imo State. Meaning that Gwamnisi did not just come out and begin to talk. Watch.
Gwamnisi. First, do I have video record?
Now,
the way they always look.
This is Gwamnisi proving to them that the attack in Imo State, that both of them are, this one is admitted as the attack in Imo State, that he's not saying, he said that the people don't know who is who. Udele Nabata have already concluded that he is actually in Igbo youth. Okay? Now, Gwamnisi from the other side is telling them, no, in as much as you guys are so much in a haste to label every crime that committed in Old Eastern region to IPOB. At some point, they even claim that some of the attack in the north is being carried out by ESN, the one in the west. Okay. Gwamnisi distanced himself from that. That cannot be a party to that. Because what that thing that is motivating Gwamnisi is totally different from what is motivating the other two. Now, Gwamnisi did not just shy away. He refused to shy away from this. He decided to prove to them that truly they are Fulanis. By what? Playing videos of the victim that are being rescued in kidnapped them. To hear what they said, and because they have met these Fulanis people one-on-one, they have been in the bush for days. Do you understand? Now hear it.
The victim said in the video, I have video record, I have video evidence that they are Fulani people.
To do fumigation with two of my brothers.
You are from Europe. Yes. You were coming before the
Yes.
Yes. For how many days now?
3 days.
3 days.
After Zara.
Okay. Okay, you how many days now?
A week and a day now.
A week and a day. How many were they?
We have 5 when they come.
How many rifles are they with?
2.
How many AK?
AK for 7. 2.
Compassion.
AK for 7.
So, can you people please describe the way they always look? How do they dress when you sight them?
They dress, one of them where
That is a special force.
yes.
The Kaplan look like this.
Yes. Yes.
The
Yes.
Kaplan look like
Yes.
this.
Green, white, green.
That's the common. Then other people.
And then people follow the leader.
And he's the leader.
Yes.
Then other people.
One thing I find out there is that daytime they will be communicating with their people. When it is 6, 7 o'clock, their people will come with the food and some AK-47s.
Do they come with those people that usually come? Are they female or male?
They are male
There's some
Fulanis.
other people who I know.
Yes.
Two
And
went at this
today they
when
share
when
this
we
money
finish together,
together.
they begin their run.
This was the money paid yesterday before they
kidnap
released one
another
man.
somebody yesterday.
So they share it
And
together.
that person where they kidnap, know that among these people.
What of that one where they kidnap
Yes,
for
sir.
road where I call the scheme machine?
Yeah.
You know that among these people.
No.
You go to Obinze.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the person mentioned that he's going to Obinze.
One of them said make him deposit. He give him account where you deposit 500,000 for him.
So that one went to Obinze.
Yes, two of them went to.
Two of them went to Obinze.
Yes.
You heard when they were saying
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
that they are going to Obinze.
Yes, sir.
How to catch them is not mounting on them.
They bush. You want to catch them? Go ambush.
And they always transfer their victims at night.
By exactly around what time do they do the transfer of it?
They transfer us at something like after 9 yesterday night.
But they are not Igbo as people want to present it. So we are surrounded.
It did not stop here. Harrison also presented satellite voice message, to prove
These people,
they are not that they are Fulani. So let us.
What they are speaking. Is it
Fulani
Fulani?
here?
Tell me what they are speaking. Is it Fulani, Hausa, or Igbo?
So this is a satellite voice capturing, and Harrison played it. But Nwayi is busy telling you that the police DPO that he has his contact in Imo State, who's supposed to be in charge of or aware of this event, told him that there's nothing to prove that they are Fulani or not. Do you understand it? So between these three, who do you think that is saying the truth? Based on evidence provided, based on the story being told to you, because Udele is in Abuja, and he concluded from his bed that there are Igbo people. These are ESN number the kind of boys. That's number one. Nwayi Ogiri, who is not even in Nigerian soil at all, who is outside, is telling you that there's nothing to prove that they are Fulani or Igbo. Then you now have Gwamnisi, who went to that place and met the victims, who joined the team that rescued the victims, and later interviewed the victims, and provided to you satellite voice messages to prove that these are Fulanis. Who do you think is now saying the truth? I will leave it for you. And we have Benchika. Benchika, I see you. And Chris Biafra's son, Dewo. Korean movies, I see you. You are well done. You are welcome. And I hope I have not missed anybody. And okay, we have Benny Wu. I can see your comment. You made a comment before now. Greetings to you. All right, let's continue. Please don't forget to like the video. If you are just joining us, do the needful, please.
I give them that respect, and I have to be professional in what I do. So if I'm able, since year non the Fulani Meleha, Nimo State, I watch him getting because anything may not be absolutely truth. I have to remain professional in what I do.
There's nothing like professionalism in what you do. Are you not the same person that told us that The young man that died in Anambra State, that you said that the guy is into criminality, selling ahike, they're enjoying, they're in bunk where they're smoking, they're selling and doing this and doing that. The letter proves you wrong. To the extent that even women protested against the government that you are serving, saying that you guys are liars and all that. If you have forgotten to let them remind you. That was Biafran women protesting against incident that you twisted the story online. Several people reacted on that, calling you names, reminding you that what you've just done is unacceptable. And you are here talking about you being professional. It is an insult to our intelligence. But you know what? I'm not the only one. People are picking point on all these things.
There were some questions I know because of past events, because of information available to us. And we get my very good brother who is doing exceptional. Harrison Guamajo. I respect him. I respect his hustle. He's doing excellent job. He's doing a lot of job. Even for some people, no problem with him. He pains me. Oh, with them of my because or somebody like a young man like myself in Albambo. Kodele Nigerian man. On your batanju and we respect never. But always on certain thing, I believe Harrison don't know about these agitators. They are very, very deceitful in nature. And how they operate, it may be difficult for you to know because of loving whenever their leader, and nobody will foul you, nobody will penalize you for liking anybody you choose to like. Yes, Nande cannot be born criminal, Nande cannot be disaster.
You actually want to penalize him, but you don't have what it takes to do so. That's why nobody wants to penalize. There's somebody who wants to penalize him. You and you all. But you don't have what it takes to do so. Then, in as much as you are doing damage control, because you are doing all the most of the reason why you are doing what you are doing is you want your sins to be forgiven. You don't want Nigerian government to remember or to remind you of what you said in the past, what you did, because you are promoting Chinas Aworu and rest of them. Now the dead man squad is not a strange thing to you. You are against criminality, right? I have not seen you talking about a dead man squad. You don't talk about them, do you? You don't. Now you are here talking about what? Nobody can, because the young man refused to convert IPOB, whom you managed to position yourself very well as one of the benefactors. You don't want. He refused to crumble. He refused to accept, to soften, the agitation, to become, pressure group, or to become political party, where you would have at least used his influence to contest for maybe local government chairman or commissioner. You know what I mean? Just to lure yourself into politics. And since you don't see those things anymore, the best thing to do in your only two myopic mindset is to attack the man himself, because you want to revenge. So most of these people are on assignment to revenge. But Mahatma did not owe you anything. When you approach his movement, he did not promise you at some point, I'm going to make you rich. You just concluded in your mind that the time like that will come, because you think that it's going to be business as usual, like at the time of Masop. But the problem is that you met somebody who has pedigree, somebody who has, reputation, and he's not someone that you can push aside and use him to climb to your so-called political, career. Now hear him again insulting Master American because that's what they normally do. When they go and get tough, they will look for somebody vulnerable to attack. It's always Master Americano, PM Simon Ekpa, DPM Dr. Abese. That is whom they easily attack because to them, that is the best way to start.
A cannibal convicted terrorist. But to me, they don't know when they like him. They like him maybe because they don't know much about him. Man, and those of us no go very close to him. Man, not a criminal. A chop we just draw people. Nyanya lock before. They are going to a criminal. Onye nyama onye is a Lord, onye and no criminal, onye book, onye 10, onye 20, onye 40, onye 50, onye 300, onye obona go ni alota all see onye abu criminal and disaster. Now the cannibal alumelibo. But that's just by the way.
That is, one thing I love about this world is that if you are entitled to your opinion, to you or alumelibo, to so many people, Ibume, alumelibo. Go on the website, go the alum original ume. Nsana. Why? Because you offer Igbo land nothing apart from constituting nuisance, promoting criminality. A video of Udo Gachi using mortar or pistol, they call it, not mortar, hitting people's nail, destroying people's leg is, condemnable. And Amnesty International have never for once mentioned Master Moricano atrocities. How about that? Only you have, I remember, Amnesty International is not owned by Master Moricano, neither is it owned by IPOB. Remember, there's this saying that says that in the garden of 12, there must be a Judas. When you are talking about because most of you are a bunch of criminals. PM Samanapa joined him. I don't know how long, when you joined, but I can swear that you did not join in 2012. You, no. Uchemefo, I don't know when he joined, but I can swear he did not join 2012 either. Like when he started. All of you joined on the way. So many people joined on the way. Today, we now have people who claim that there no IPOB formation and registration better than the founder himself. Every organization has, where they beckon their ideology. The ideology of organization matters a lot. And people are the carrier of the ideology of every organization. The ideology of every group or organization is bestowed on the founder and those who actually formed it. How was IPOB formed? Was it formed by a group of people or an individual? Have you ever asked yourself this question? Now, when you join with a different motive, and you joined and hoping, tackling the founder, tackling him to twist his ideology, when he refused, it became an issue. What you should have done if you're man enough is to go back, register your own ideology, ride with it, and see how far you go on that. If you are not, because say the American is the calamity to if you're unable. What makes you yourself becoming that you claim that he is because you are yet to prove truly that what you are saying is worth listening to. Because you have to go and register your own, form the way you want, pilot it with your own ideology. Then people will not join in. And people will be watching and see how far you go on that. But because that you are not meant for anything reasonable and anything good, your assignment is to infiltrate, to penetrate, to join, pretend to be what you are not, just because you want to pollute. And that is why you are that evil that you are claiming that he is. It shocks you now because people are not seeing truly the colors you guys bear. That those wolves in sheep clothes has been exposed beyond every reasonable doubt. It surprises me that people who claim they are DOS, do you know who I am, DOS? When Mazakan formed the IPOB, he don't have any department of DOS. He formed DOS out of necessity. Then that necessity is no longer in existence. DOS refused to go. Imagine giving people who have different ideology from the original ideology of the organization of the group, giving them access to be a leader of a group that they don't know, they don't even believe in the ideology in the first place. You can see the contradictory part of it. And that is what is going on. And they are not claiming that they are more IPOB, more Namodikan than Mazokan himself, perching on somebody's effort to strive to ride your own ideology that you know that the public, people who believe in Mazokan's ideology, will never ever venture or buy into. That makes you a criminal. Calling other people a criminal is a way of taking the people's mindset away from your activities and your evil agenda, which is now being played before everybody. We are not seeing it pop and play. Now, listen to him again, because I have something to.
So eventually, while Harrison, a few things before I will touch the alleged Fulani attack in Enugu State. But don't forget, and we're Fulani headsmen bandits in Enugu State, yes, and we are. Now, Harrison, you may not know
something that his colleague will never ever admit. His colleague will never ever agree. No way Fulani bandit in Igbo land. I watched video of Kevin Black where he did not mention the Enugu State governor. He says something very, very, very. The way he said, you know that he's talking to the governor of Enugu State. That he said, my governor refused to accept. That he went to, what's the name of this place in Enugu State? Like Ihamufu side, or Go side, and Iri side, where these Fulanis are attacking villages and attacking people. That governor always said, no, it's just a mere talk, a rumor. It's internet gossip, internet talk. Like people gossiping on internet, online and trying to promote certain negative agenda about my own dear state. You know, that kind of thing. People are crying, So Kevin Black was like, if governor can think like this, that means we're in a very big mess. He was saying that, trying to explain why he started creating the kind of content that he's creating and that people are actually in love with. But for the first time, this guy admitting truly, we have Fulani presence in Igbo land. He don't normally accept that kind of thing. Now, he accepted that, which is very good to see, very good to hear. Then again, the people called the fans. And the other side, telling you don't know everything is Igbolani. Jovika, a man with the Bible in his hands, never believed that there's a Fulani presence in our land. To him, they are all Igbolani. Now, for the first time, they are admitting and telling that the percentage is down. That's 99.9. What is your statistics? How did you measure that? How did you come up with that figure? That's a question that he can never ever answer. Listen to him.
Nwayi evidence to prove now some of Igbolani, they are called Igbo.
Are you listening now? They are not calling Igbolani. Listen, this is Jovika's effort to downplay the obvious. Until the Igbo people begin to rise against these people. I'm not saying you should go and buy them. Rising against them is either by countering them with objective reasons, like arguing with them like I'm doing now, bringing it before them, their stupidity and their lies before them. Because what they're doing is just to push people that were supposed to help you, push them away, and say wrong narrative to the public, so that when Fulani will not overwhelm you, people will be saying, oh, now them they buy themselves. After all, now their brother tell us, say, now them they buy themselves. Jovika is in US driving truck, pretending to be an Anglican priest. All right, doing all the nonsensical thing he's doing. These are people that, if you check their history, their lineage is not pure. It's either their great grandfather are those that are if you check, because that nothing goes for nothing. People that come from lineage that actually respect and fear, that know how to distance themselves from anything bloodshed or killing people, it will always ring, in that lineage. It always lingered in the lineage. They don't venture into any criminality or anything that will actually bring them closer to this kind of nonsensical life they are living. Now Jovika is there, telling you that Fulani, whom this one now, who happened to be his friend, he has admitted that Fulani presence in our land. Jovika is telling you Igbo. Now, Jovika, what is your criteria? What is the measurement? What is that statistic that you use to differentiate Igbo crime committed by Igbo man and that of Fulani? If you are actually a genuine person, you should know that the land you are talking about belongs to Igbo people. Having a stranger, comparing a stranger that is committing crime in your land and the indigenous people committing crime in their own land is not the same thing. It is first thing you should do if you truly want to go after criminality. Strangers pack your load and go, so that I will know that any crime going on here is my people. Then we cannot settle ourselves within us. Because if you don't do that, by the time your brothers and sisters that are committing crime will pipe low, stop. Strangers will committing crime because they hope they're gonna go. They have a peaceful land to go later. When they go, you get off, they have a place to run back to. It's not as if this Fulani attack only resisted in our region. They are sacked and tied multiple places, destroying multiple regions in Nigeria. That even people from those areas are wishing to become Igbo. Do you understand? That is the level of what we are talking, the level of the crime they have committed. Do you understand that in Nigeria today, some people lost their mother, their father, their siblings, a family of 15, only one person remain as a survivor. Yet, we still have some people who claim to be Igbo, telling you Igbo land. The only Igbo land we have are those that you know. Nwayi Ogiri here, Jovika, Keshosu, Udele, Chimeze, Tomboy Chimeze, and all these duels, all these eras that are saying that PM have dealt with, they are all Igbo land. They have militia called Ibubago. They have their own militia called Dead Man Squad. What is their job? How can you spend 5 years without telling me that Dead Man Squad have done this, they rescued Ebola, they have done something good? They all have platform. Have you seen them sharing the video of Dead Man Squad operating? No. Apart from Ejima that was captured, whom they asked, who is your sponsor? He said, Chinasa Woru. Where is Chinasa Woru? He's in abroad. Apart from that video, that's the only time we heard about, Chinasa Woru's militia. And today, Chinasa Woru is moving, is the one pushing the agenda that Matt Namakan is destabilizing Igbo land. That he had the opportunity to distance himself from Simon Ekpa, who is committing people, buying people in our land. Simon Ekpa don't have secret armed group. Let it be clear. When BLF was formed, he told, remember, I'm not a member. I'm telling you what is on social media and what all of you told us and what you can say. I have never been to any cabinet meeting or any group talking about this and talking about that, no. But as somebody who is very, very, very into know what is going on, I can assure you that when BLA was formed, it was announced publicly. As a man, he beat his chest and said, this is BLA under Briggy, under United States of Biafra, under autopilot, because he moved from step to step, following international law. PM presented all the information to Finland. The government of Finland went through everything and clapped for him and said, well done, you have done well. PM presented everything in America that made them to register Bricky in America. All right? They have gone through the files. If he has a terrorist group, those countries will not allow it to register. Just like Nigerian government said that IPOB under Mazamukani is a terrorist group, but in Ghana, it's not a terrorist group. In Canada, it's not. In all the country, in the whole worldwide, they are not a terrorist group. Only Nigerian government, not even Nigerian government, only Eastern politicians. Do you understand it now? That is the world we are living in. And they want us to venture and believe this kind of thing they're talking about more than what we know. Now, here, the one why you agree.
Ibolani are these Biafra agitators. They will masquerade themselves as Fulani headsmen because some of them can speak Hausa and even Fulani language. Fufude, right? They can speak it. But
sorry.
Equal respect Nebono. But always that yes, anywhere. Now, and some of them can speak Fulani language. Go and investigate.
Now, this is the same man discrediting Mas Namodekano. The Mazokano is not educated. The Chikedozen is more educated than the Mazokano. The word Fufude, where did you learn that thing from? To know what Fulani language is called. It was when you were in the class of Mas Namodekano. He revealed that to you. Have you said thank you to him? No. The only thing that you can pay him back to is calling him a name, calling him some names that I can assure you that if in your own kindred, in this guy's Mona, in his own village, nobody is more educated than Mas Namodekano. I just want to let you know, nobody, until you prove otherwise, let the person attempt to get to the level of Mas Namodekano. You just want to be, you just want to be recognized. In this life, they either know you for good things or they know you for bad things. Every Igbo youth and everybody in Igbo land know the name called what is the name of this? What is the name of the? Yesterday I struggled to remember his name. Now it happened to me again. The guy that the Bakassi people pied, Derico Wamama. People know that name, Derico, right? But Derico, is it for something good or for something bad? So you have chosen to be popular by something. You want to trend in negativity. Oh, good. Let me send shout out to some of our people in the comment section before we move forward. I have we have here Musa, I believe. Yeah, Musa. I greet you, Musa, and of course we have Ngozika, our own mama. I greet you, Mommy Ngozika. You're welcome. King of Harmonican, greetings to you. You're welcome. We have Chris Biafra's son. Okay, I said my greeting to you before. Evangelist Louis Oyenkai, I greet you. Oliver also. We have gift to KK, our own one that I greet you, gift. Nice to have you. Gift to KK, Nigeria must go from Biafra land. Yes, so DPM made a tweet about it also. Please, Biafra, kindly hit the like button from gift to KK. Is telling you to like the video if you have not. We actually heading to 1 hour on this program, and we still have some minutes to go. King of American State, USB all the way. There we go, my brother. Then Triple M is in the house. Greetings to you, Mazeka report. Greetings to you, Ezubo Mado. Nice to see you. Mercy, I see you. Nice to have you. Good evening, my brother. Ndewo. All of you, please don't forget to like the video as we go through Nwayi Ogiri. Let us, Yannick. Let's hear him.
In Okigwe, you are looking at 40% of this from Okigwe. Now, so Hausa. Some of them now so Fulani language.
Okigwe people, make una olukweru report akwoku. Ngeketa na okwono vum kakoma kind statement. Because I cannot stand this person, anybody, no matter who, even Mazangana will not say that, will keep quiet. That my village is speaking Fufude. God forbid. Well, it's a lie. Fufude, the language of Fufude is even difficult for Hausa people to speak. You see how close and how intimate the intimacy between Hausa people and Fulani. How many Hausa know how to speak Fufude? Have you asked yourself, why is it that when Fulani want to discuss, they will go deeper? Right on, Pastor. They will go deeper to speak Fufude. They communicate in their Fufudish or Fufude language, but they know how to speak Hausa very, very, very well. And this man is here telling you that. So if somebody speaks Fufude, will you know? You can go wrong. Will you know? Did I even call you? Can go? Will you know when somebody speaks Fufude? This is how they wrote. Did you hear what he said now? I told you these guys are they're in a mission. They're on a mission. They're pushing something they want to use against many people. How can you wake up and say that Igbo people, that the Okigwe people are speaking Hausa? Many of them are speaking Hausa. Many of them know how to speak Fufude. Why? So that by the time Fulani are being captured, they will tell you, no, they are Igbo man. Because they know that's where the whole thing is heading to. This position must happen. It must happen. Huh? You can't cover. Our land don't have all things for a very long time. Go and check the history now. We don't have, our land cannot have something for 12 years. Okay, therefore. All this thing you are hearing them talking about Mazamukani because they have waited and waited and waited. The young man is pushing and moving, gaining momentum. Gaining momentum because people are seeing truly what he's saying. The only difference between you that love Mazamukani and them is because you love Mazamukani, you supported Mazamukani genuinely without having anything attached to it. They join him, they want to become like him, they want to partake in whatever he's doing simply because they believe a time will come when he will succumb. And I say, okay, settle me, let me just relax. That time they have waited and waited. That time is not forthcoming. They are not going gaga, they are not going crazy. Look at what somebody is saying. That the Okigwe people are speaking for the Chineke. Also,
I would like you to investigate it. Now, because of our past experience and the information available to us, now these people now plan if I get casting on the Fulani so that they will have the opportunity to enter the hometown and destroy it. For example, I would like to play the voice of Gentle de Yahweh Fanyeze, one of the Biafra agitator criminal, terrorist, where he was planning with his boys on how they are going to masquerade themselves as a Fulani herdsman and attack. He specifically said, and I quote, that they are going to capture 7 people, buy 6 of them, then leave one of them to run into the town to testify of what happened. But before they leave him, that they will speak in Fulani language or Hausa language. That you people said that Fulani is not here. We are here and we are coming to claim our land. That they will speak just like the Fulani people to the person and allow him to run to the city to go and testify of what happened. Now tell me, my brother, if you come across such person, who do you expect him to tell you that attacked them? Fulani. Do you know that that's exactly how they have been operating? That's why anytime you hear them talk of Fulani attack, people are in doubt. People don't believe them. But if you think I'm not saying the truth, I want you to listen to this tape.
Well, we need to work to cover ourselves up. And the LME broadcast is possible. We can come up now last one. I can come up and make broadcast. I can come up by myself and make the broadcast. Communication mamu. Nobody go have nobody muddy the game now, nobody muddy is all we see. Release your phone, we can camera has 7. Release here without sorry, on your cousin with English. Kowara say una say we no go agree. Una no go agree to give us our land. Now Fulani, we don't come to claim what that belongs to us. Were bekee gwa ya onye nke happy among happy ya agba ọsọ. Onye nke ga-aga kọwazie ihe ọhụrụ. Yọta ha the game na ya final game nwere ike ịkụ na uchegede ya o.
I believe you can hear it. Now, another thing is this.
Now, before you go further, let me tell you something. If truly you are fighting criminality, where the crime committer comes from shouldn't be a problem. You see why I'm doubting you? If truly you are fighting criminality, why attaching it to why are you attaching nationality to that? I am of opinion that if you see Igbo man who is a kidnapper, who is killing people, go after the person. As long as you have the proof, truly the person committed, not by, oh, you look like, oh, you talk like, the way you walk, oh, you are supporting. If you are doing that, you are not, you are one of the, you are one of the, you are the major, you are the grandmaster of the criminality because you are hiding under government to commit your own, and nobody will come after you. You now have license to commit crime. If Fulani commit crime, Igbo man commit crime, Yoruba man commit crime in Igbo land, go after them. That is what I'm saying. But you trying to exonerate Fulani, yo, this crime is committed, is it Fulani or Igbo? You are weighing that. You are not sincere. You are not sincere. If truly you are after criminality, why are you looking for where they come from? You are looking for where they come from because you are trying not to provoke your boss, your guy. That's why you bothered. That is why you are bothered. Who is this person that committed this crime? Where did she come from? In the moment you start like that, you have lost it all. You have actually lost it all because there's no way you will focus on a crime committed by one person, one tribe, the other one, you turn blind eyes. Gentle did what he did here, which is very, very terrible. What he said here is very, very, very terrible. You know, I used to tell people that I don't want to analyze anything they are doing. I have my reason. Somebody who is well trained will not make this kind of video, this kind of voice note. That's not the fact. You tell them to speak. What are you trying to say? I don't blame him saying what he's saying now. That how can you not know who is who? But there's a reason why I'm emphasizing on you not to care about nationality or ethnicity. Because what that means simply means that if truly you are genuinely fighting for your people and going after criminality, this video shouldn't be your problem. You will just score Gentle his mark. But you don't want to score Gentle. Rather, you are using what Gentle said against innocent people. Because you are hacking on this one to get hold of innocent people that have never done you anything wrong. So you are admitted that the Fulani is in our land, truly. And anybody that comes from Igbo land that is into criminality don't deserve pity. I don't support anybody to commit any crime, not at all. But you are exonerating Fulani and claiming that everything that's going on is our people that commit it. Have you captured Gentle then? Then why are you punishing other people that did not make the video? So go after Gentle then. So Gentle will not give you other names. You say you buy him, he's still here. You say you buy all of them, he's still here. All this nonsense needs to stop. Now and again, if you want to let people know that Igbos are the one doing all those things, that there's no crime anywhere in Igbo land, that is all Igbo people. Funny enough, you are working under Soludo, and Soludo said there's nothing like Fulani in Anambra State. You are now contradicting what your guy is saying. I thought both of you are both of you are in the same page. What is going on? Anyway, like I said, I don't support anybody committing any crime. Listen.
The same gentle Yahoo authorized his boys to make sure they sharpen the knife they are going to use. Say sharp on the knife so that the knife will be very sharp. And then Hachi Jennifer, Hachelo, the time people you do it, Potebe Anabia no money. Ebe 9 to 10 people japuto one way. How there? How about boom? Totorunda de walk they will ma. Because na Nigeria, if people believe we will not the Fulani Jima. So Kahameye, so that the hometown, Ebeano, we will now give them the security job. Can you got the reason Hajemio? Obona Hameye, Ndo King where we will now say, oh, Nande Fulani no where. They will now be given security job. I want you to listen to this.
Ban store no, and I got no this on towards 9-10. I can went in all shop that period of time. I told Fonia sorry I was I saw Flane, Ophonia were English, because I said now we don't enter our life. So we don't enter now we own this ground. Since we know no one make we claim our property. We must get them by fire by force. Man, I thought now the man who got no uniform or before. The military uniform. In the uncle. We have a police uniform. You need to go, I can afford it. According to the man who got I want any their police uniform. You let me know. I can provide more. Okay, regard the movements. We don't get them direct.
Can you hear that?
Now, this kind of has something to do with mass number gang. Do you understand? I keep on. There's an example that I normally give you here. If you send your son to university, so your son went to university and said to join secret courts, all right, started robbing people, snatching handbag and all that, and eventually he's being caught. How will you feel that the police that hold your son are not calling for your own head? That you yourself, the father or the mother, should be sentenced to life imprisonment for offense your son committed in the school. You send him to go and study, not to join secret court. And he made his choice. And he's over 18 years. So will you now hold who responsible? And you have never for once, appreciate him for joining secret courts. So labeling his crime on you as a parent, is it justifiable? No, it's not justifiable. And let's not act as if Nigerian army and police are innocent of this kind of game. Okay? I don't want to go there, but you know what I'm talking about. We are living in a society where this kind of activities is very, very common, very, very common. And I don't know why it's none like you are acting strange over that. Anyway, listen.
My brother, you see, people like us, we knew a lot because that one committee, they are Igbo-speaking people, and most of them we knew who knew them. You see, so how they operate, how they move, we knew. Now let's go to Enugu State. In Enugu State,
if you truly know them, like you claim, then why did you tell us that you are part of them? Are you not the same person that celebrated that they are no longer here? That if Gentle said that he's still alive, let him come and make a video. Have you forgotten that you have a video that where you were saying that kind of thing? And you say you are a professional. You don't want to stay in your professionalism. So how can you brag about your professionalism when you cannot even say ordinary truth? You have lied to the people that are following you.
And we're Fulani headsmen, of course. Do they do attack? They do. Do they kidnap people? Of course. But the thing is, whether we're Fulani headsmen or not, We don't need Biafra agitators to come and protect any place in Enugu. We don't need, not just Biafra agitators. We don't need unauthorized security men and women to enter Enugu to protect anywhere.
You know why? Because he wants Fulani to have a free gateway, like they have in Kwara, like they have in Benue State. So he now wants authorized, not, she said they don't want unauthorized, they want authorized. And who is going to authorize them? People, politicians that are very, very, a good servant to caliphate, to be the one to give you when to protect your people and when not to protect your land. Then are you still looking for your people that are opening doors for Fulani to invade you? Are you still looking for that? On our cameras, allow your brain to go to work.
Because these Biafra agitators, they are worse than Boko Haram. It's better to live with Fulani headsmen. I mean, the bandits among them. Not every Fulani headsman is a bandit. No, I'm talking of the bandits, the terrorists among them. It's better to live with them than to live with Biafra agitators. It will be easy.
Jesus Christ. And my prayer is that anytime you step into Nigeria, may you live with Fulani bandits. May you live with them. Hey, did you hear that? That it is better to live with the Fulani bandits than to live with Biafra agitators. Please, this one hit me differently. Honestly, this one hit me different. To be honest, okay, it is better to live with not with ordinary Fulani. He said the bandits among them, to live with them. And that the people that just beheaded a man in Yoruba land, that it is better to live with them than to live with Biafra agitators. Okay? God.
To defeat Fulani headsmen, terrorists, than Biafra agitators. Biafra agitators are worse than demons. So, what I would suggest, let people arise.
Before he continued, he said Biafra agitators, which includes all the DOS, China Saworu. Let me flash a picture, just a few pictures of them. Master Nakano's wife. You see all these people, for example. This is just an example, please. Not all of them. Not they are not only one. There are so many other ones that are not contented here. Their name is not, their picture is not here. What this guy is saying is that these people, this picture from Ejiofor, all these names you are seeing here, that are Biafra agitators, that it is better to live with Boko Haram than to be with these people, for example. There are so many other names that are not here, other pictures that are not here, that are Biafra agitators that have worked with Ikenga, because he said that if you have worked with them, he knows them. Okay, I'm giving you those that he knows. That because he knows them, that's why he said that they are worse than Boko Haram. Not to you that is watching me now. People that Kegurago, if you have been with Kegurago said that you are worse than Boko Haram, and he referred to these people. Now, these people will watch this video and go on the radio and said, Iken Guruago is our brother. Iken Guruago is doing well. Are you following? Our brother Iken Guruago is doing well. What does that tell you? That these guys are not for Biafra. Do you understand? That's what it means. That they are not for Biafra. That is why Master Makano has formed the ESN and China Saworu here went behind to form Dead Men Squad. And this guy called Ikenga knew him very well. He knows this very well. That's why he said that he knows them, that they are worse than that. I will present to you a video because we are running short of time. I don't know if you can do it here. But I would anywhere will stop because once it's time, I will end. All right. But I will try my best now to present to you a video, and that video, because I'm gonna stop you again here, Ogiri here, for you to be able to hear what this group under Chinasa Woro, what they're doing from Njideka, Canada. Now here in Njideka, I played it. Those of you that follow me on my second platform, you have watched part of this video. So, but I don't think we are gonna play everything here because the minutes is longer than the time.
Post made
now listen.
Now, see now support ESN. Let me show you now, careful. New account go to here. The account go to here there now broad account to ESN. The authorized by Mazin Nandekano. Had here another different account. Then the logo of ESN high change gear. Agwa mono soon na Chinasa one kita we go dead men squad. Or yana or men here. Nda ne busi in the man na Biafra land. And me play kwa on video. Ebe somebody send here ko je gbori mmadu ka Chinasa wanketa je gbori mmadu ihe na unne ekwa anya na egosi unu evidence iya afia na ka ngosi unu ya. Let me show you the ihe post na ihe post na ihe onye oshi post ogbu mmadu na ihe post us no support ESN.
Now I told you they have different version of ESN, not the one of Mazamaka, but they have to patch on Mazamaka to get the fund to fund their own group. And this group is called Dead Men Squad according to Njideka. Then again, this Dead Men Squad have been here. PM used to raise alarm. He used to shout, used to complain about this Dead Men Squad of Chinasa Woro. Now, this logo here is not the logo that Mazamaka have or presented for the original ESN. But see how deceptive this people can be? People will now hear ESN and fund it without knowing that you are funding a different group. So when Ikenga said that I know them, that they are what the Boko Haram, he may be right. But I don't believe that they are what the Boko Haram, but they are killing people also. Now, when they carry out any atrocities, because the man is just bringing himself out, he still don't want to reveal his identity, though people who know him are the one sharing his video. All right. Now they will label it on Master American and PM Samonepa. Just like what Gentle said in that video. Who are they now dragging? Master American and PM Samonepa. Because they felt that Gentle is under them, right? Now, if anything happened, they even under Chinasa Woro with this group, that Master know nothing about this group. If they commit any crime, they'll take Biafra agitators. You see it now. Is that what Master wants? No. Is he in support? No. Is that what PM Samonepa wants? No. Is he in support? No. But who are those using his name, using them to commit crime? Then Chinasa Woro be the first to tell Master distance yourself from Samonepa. But he's the one committing crime more than anybody. And some time ago, he said that that Samonepa, Biafran Prime Minister, is claiming what he did not do. That when men do something, someone will claim everything. That he don't know what is wrong with him. So who are those doing that? And again, guys, is a very close friend to Chinasa Woro. That's why he's saying that what he know that, and Chinasa Woro cannot counter what he's saying, because if he do, Ikenga will not make a video about him. He don't want to go toe to toe. He's trying to keep it, keep it low. But who are those receiving the attack? The leaders.
Freya support with no different logo. He have a logo ESN, Mazin Nandekano. And the Chinasa Wanketa does in charge of ESN. On what the in charge of ESN, he had before Erran boy na the line or who boji commander. So can go see you ihe na-eji wee kwete na Chinasa Wanketa na-egbu ndị mmadụ na Biafra land. And I play go me a lot of evidence, but in character, let me show you another one again now. Don't support any ESN money. If you support any ESN for him, man in support ke egbu ndị buy na Biafra land. o nwere dead men squad ekunu ka m gosi unu video ejima 2 days ago m posturu onye nke ha dị odi ka eje gbuo eze ahụ emechazi ejima chọpụtazie na otinye na fake ESN ya otinye na dead ihe anụwa ime ọ bụrụ ihe a ka m ji maka ya wee bịa post go video ka m gosi unu ihe mmegosi unu na Chinasa Nwankita wee ezigbote ekila onye unu ya n'onu ebe a nwa Chinasa Nwankita two different voice ka unu ya hụ ebe a kịta Chinasa Nwankita emecha nke analyze eme another one gezie na ntị ka enu ofu onye kpọrọ ya ka o gbuo ya mmadụ ka unu na-ege na nwa tie ọjị agazie mmadụ ozi onwe ndị achọrọ ka ya bụrụ gọvanọ n'Abia steeti ya chọrọ ka egbuo ha nwa tie ọjị onwe ndị achọrọ ka ya bụrụ gọvanọ egbuo ha
he's a killer that we know. Yes. So I say, Ozubo that he might move for you whether you were going to such the other. So they say I'm way before much others out below no.
Na nwati ọjị gwara ya na onwe ndị ọ chọrọ ka Chinasa Nwankita gburu ha n'Abia steeti ana nwati ọjị ahụ chọrọ ịwụ gọvanọ n'Abia steeti bete onwe mmadụ ịtọ na-enye nwa si ọjị ahụ nsogbu achọrọ ka ya wụrụ gọvanọ o wee kọntaktịzie Chinasa Nwankita na-agwa Chinasa Nwankita ka ha jee gbuori onye ahụ then ndị anọ na underground ndị anọ background na-amụ amụ bụ ndị otu ya ọmụghọ na onwe nọ n'ime na-erekọdụ ihe ọ na-ekwu so wee sị na nwa si ọjị ahụ kọntaktịrị ya wee sị na onwe ọ chọrọ ka e gbuori ya wee si oke osi nya ịma sometimes mmadụ si bịa mee ihe imegodo log ahead nwe obere asị ifin chọọ imago mechazie ya sizie ya oke ole ndọ ngwa na-ege ntị ebe a ka ọ nọ na mecha nka ya play kenụ na anụkwa ya ọjị ya ke ndọ ya pụta again
ndị na-achọ ka ya bụrụ gọvanọ na steeti
ọ chọrọ ka egbuo ha
he's a killer that we know. Yes. So I say that he might move for you whether you were going to such the other below no.
Ojo ole onyo.
This is with a picture like this. Send you and I'm going I told you
na begoro kwu eme ka iwe were ịma sometimes mmadụ gwa ụdị ha emegodu ka ha sị na ịchọghọ emechazi isi oke ngwa gwazie nke onye oke ọ gwazie ya ọsi ya ngwa ya sendie picha ọ tụrụ ya picha mmadụ ịtọ na-ege anya ndị agha ya egbu
ebe ha bi n'ụmụ ahịa look at my people you understand but I struggle I need
o nyere picha mmadụ ịtọ ya egbu nyekwu ya kọlọ moto ha na-agba denu nyekwu ya adreesị ebe ha bi n'ụmụ ahịa nka ya take this thing back play again ka ịnụkwa ọnụnụ
ndị APC chọrọ ime ihe n'Abia
steeti ịma agwa na ndị arụ ndị politicians ha ka a na-akọntaktị ọkọtụzie ọ dịka onye ahụ erekọdụ nwozie ka anyị plegharịa ya again nwa tie ọjị kpọrọ ha
ndị na-achọ ka ya bụrụ gọvanọ na steeti na-achọrọ ka ya
ka m bido n'isi nwa T.O.G na Abia steeti chọrọ iwu gọvanọ o wee kọntaktị ya Chinasa Nwankịta nka ya play yo wee gwa na onwe ndị ọchọ ka egburu ha mmadụ ịtọ. Chinasa Nwankịta wee si eke ndo ele ndo o wee tụrụ ha pichọ ha wee demand wee tụrụ Chinasa Nwankịta pichọ mmadụ ịtọ demand chọọ ka egbuori ya maka ndị a chọọ ka ọ wụrụ gọvanọ. Chinasa Nwankịta wee nye ha the picture nyekwa ha address those people plate number nye ha house address ebe ha bi na Abia steeti. Ma emezi interrupt na ka unu gezie from beginning to full before play the second another different video again. Ofu kilikili ọbụna Chinasa Nwankịta wụrụ a killer, why would a killer onye chọọ ka egbuo mmadụ ya na-eji na contact Chinasa Nwankịta? Otu ị nọ na anụnwa iwuru onye na-egbu mmadụ, onye chọọ ka egbuo mmadụ abịa kpọọ gị na phone gịnị ya na-akpa onwe onye chọọ ka egbuoro gị isi ele ndo onye ahụ emechara isi oke mgbe ya nye gị pichọ ha onye ahụ abịa tụrụ gị the picture nye gị adreesị ndị ahụ nye gị ụdị moto ndị a na-agba. Ọ bụrụ na ị bụrụ a killer, you can never accept that kind of thing. Even the person can never even call you at all. This one even proof that Chinasa Nwankịta also na one of the evidence, because I play go me a lot of evidence goes na Chinasa Nwankịta na-egbu mmadụ na Biafra land. Kita ọpụta go still support ESN. Ndị a na-support ihe na-akpọ ha na Biafra land with dead men squad. I support ESN na n'ụdị no ESN o were ego ahụ ị na iji support wee je na-enye ndị dead men squad a ọ ya ka o ji enekwasị ha. Don't donate anything, don't contribute anything, don't go to their meeting anymore. Anyway ịma ha na ha na-eme meeting, don't go there again. So ọgwụrụ fụ ihe na-eme na Biafra land a na-egbusisi ndị be anyị ka e plays again before nje na the second one again ofu gbuo ahụ again kwa chere nke a na-ekwasị ka evidence nke ha anaghị eshow evidence mana anyị na-egosi evidence ya pụta ka ọ dị na ya ihe na ebe ya na ndị otu ya nọ the person record ya maybe ihe esego okwu nwee problem onye ya pushuo ya ozugbo pushuo ya somebody ngwa geenụ ntị ka bido n'isi.
Nwa T.O.G abịazie mmadụ ozi ya pụta again ya sị na ndị na-achọ ka e bụrụ gọvanọ na steeti na-achọ ka egbuo ya pụta again ya sị na ndị na-achọ ka e bụrụ gọvanọ na steeti na-achọ ka egbuo
ọtọ na ndị otu ndị ogbu mmadụ
na he's a killer that we know. Yes. So I say ozugbo kwuru that him and move for you whether you go take it such thing the other him mean. So I say I'm back. Way before me child that's how they below no. Yeah, put again. No, then I can't care about government of state. I can't care. Everyone. Nah, he's a killer. Now we know this. Yes. So I see go through that. Him and move for you whether you go take it such thing. The other him below no. This is the with the picture of my like this. Bam. I send you the and I'm up on the I told them my motto, maybe have no more. So go look at my people or what I mean. You understand? It's not I mean but woman not yet to raise why they can leave it. Now along the line, the every situation in Abia State.
Akwụna ebe ọ si na onye ahụ wee killer. A killer always know a killer. Ọ ma ndị otu and ọ bụrụ taa ka onye ahụ gbugbere mmadụ. Ọ bụrụ taa ka onye ahụ gbugbere mmadụ. Sorry, excuse me. Ọ bụrụ taa ka nwa T.O.G ahụ gbugbere mmadụ. Ọ ya ka o ji ma na onye ahụ wee killer. Ha ma onwe ha. Obiakta na support or ESN. Chinasa Wankita is not in charge of Mazen Nandikano ESN. Mazen Nandikano ESN wunke original ESN. One were going Chinasa Wankita within DOS gangster. That means you are supporting them to kill our people more in Biafra land. Look at a human being a contact here. Bonya him go to phone number. Bonya jimegide we with phone when we call on a phone. A man onya we hardened killer. Ask yourself, keka nwati ojis we man na Chinasa Wankita. No na-egbu mmadụ. Keka o si mara, keka o si moji we contact ya we nata phone number ya because ha mana ọ na-egbu mmadụ. Maka mmadụ na-enye contact. Ọ na-akpọ ya phone number na-agwakwa onwekwa ike na onye anaghị anụ ọhịa wu ozu Chinaka onye Chinasa Wankita onye ushi. Nwekwa efe ya na onye nwekwa the time. Ya na nwati oji chọrọ iwu gọvanọ na Abia steeti. Enwekwa time na-eme this kind of dirty conversation. Imagine me na etu anọ na mmadụ akpọ m na si na ọ chọ ka m gbuorie mmadụ abịa m nwee time na-asị ya ele onye ọ bịa tụọrọ m picture ya onye ahụ nye m ụdị moto onye ahụ na-agba nye m adreesị bụ onye ahụ bi. That means ekwetara na mmemme ya mana ọ na m ekweta na mmemme ya once isi na onye mmegbu masị mba aka m adịrị ya even I cut one phone off on you but look at ihe disi onye oshi ogbu mmadụ na-eme. On a post now, support ESN. Chinasa Wankita, just tell people to support your dead men squad nebusisi in the mother na Biafra land. Openedi. It is not ESN na na schools. And the new account. Account to the our account. Mazin Nandikano men authorized for ESN. Another different new account today. That logo me na screen. Only afia this me na screen before post to this that logo. Na Chinasa Wankita na appeal for support or ESN. The logo did our logo ESN. Ask him why did you change the logo? Every man not ESN Mazin Nandikano natural logo. Why did you change your account number? You talk as go si choko finish and buy onye Muslim for that matter. Makibu mother had haki here. The way we this annual here na Chinasa Wankita we better ni mai or we ne bunde buy. Because of na Christian, how I ya was the Muslim. Abia gwachi ihe oye mo bia na eme. Can play another one. Another.
All right, I purposely don't want to stop her because of the time. So I just want the whole thing to play so you can hear it. All right, and everything she said here is spot on. I'm not gonna lie to you. It is very right thing to say. And you cannot see common sense only those. If you don't want to say the truth, then I can't stop you. You heard it from her, and everything she said there is what every normal person would ask, because it is not hidden. A very simple question, logical question for that matter. Please let me know what you think about all this stuff. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much, and like the video, subscribe before you go. I'm sorry I'm not gonna send the link because of the upcoming program. Please keep your eyes on the channel. We are coming back as soon as possible because of the upcoming program. Thank you so much and God bless you. Bye-bye for now.